morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how you can use this bike high pressure washing, which is battery operated, for watering the plants. See here, actually this is meant to be used for bike cleaning or the car cleaning. This is a 48 volt battery operated high pressure spraying gun, you can say. But just for a thought, with this nozzle, and the other nozzle is also there within the package. I did the unboxing. You can get the full details by clicking on the link below in the description for the unboxing of this product, this high pressure car or bike washing. And along with this there is another nozzle, which is a high pressure nozzle, and this is somewhat like spraying nozzle. So I thought of just I can use this for planting, watering the plants. So yes, this is quite useful. So 2-in-1, you can say. This is 1200 rupees, 1216 rupees the user has purchased this. But the good thing is you can just, without any power, okay, this is battery operated, so you can recharge the battery and you can attach the battery and you can just put the foot valve in the bucket and you can water. So the mobility reason, this is one of the good gadget if you think to use 2-in-1 like this. So what I'll do is, just for the more water purpose, I'm just keeping this foot valve in the drum so that I can have some enough water. So yeah, please do comment your opinion on how do you like this product. And coming to the battery, when I fully charge this battery, this 48 volt battery, I can wash up to like 2 bikes completely and the third bike half. So the watering plants, I didn't check how much the battery is getting lasted, but yeah, for decently, because for smooth water spray this is useful, means without damaging anything. Even for the flowers, the plant was with flowering plants also, this is quite good actually. See here, you can observe the spraying, it's very smooth on the plants. Yeah, I didn't apply any chemical or anything, means any pesticide or something, just the plain water, okay. And the assembling of this spraying gun for the high pressure car or bike washing, I did a detailed video. Anyway, I'll be dropping that in the description. You can just check it in the description. Along with this, I also purchased one garden tool gadget under 260 rupees, which is 260 rupees. I'll also show you that also at the end of the video. And please do comment your opinions on this 2-in-1 gadget. Not exactly meant for this, but I'm just using for this. And this is the one I said. This is another sprayer, you can say, with 7 modes: flat, shower and mist. So this comes with the lock also. Just want to show you, as I'm showing you the watering the plants, and this is under 260 rupees. Along with this there is whole garden set. There are 3 other tools along with the gloves. If you want that unboxing full details video, what I'll do is I'll drop that video also in the description. Just find the links, both the links in the description, and if possible I'll be trying to add this in the view products, just for the more information purpose. You can just check. See here, this is connected to the tap, okay. This is not battery operated. According to the force of the tap, the water is just sprinkling very far. That is one good thing I really liked about this. Yeah, please do comment your opinions on this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.